How to change country in Amazon Prime Video. What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily change your location or country on your Amazon Prime Video. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to yourprimevideo.com and make sure to log into your account. And from here, you just have to tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. And then from here, you just want to head over to your accounts and settings. And once you get here, if you want to edit your details, change your name, email, phone number, or even location, you'll have to edit it on your Amazon. So from here, simply log into your Amazon account and enter your password. Now once you land on your Amazon's homepage, all you have to do is click on your account and then click on account settings. Now scroll down all the way until you see this option, digital content and devices, and from here you're just going to head over to devices. And now on the top of your screen you'll have different options to manage your content and devices. Click on preferences, and once you land on the preference page, here you have an option to change your country settings. So just click on the drop down and then click on change. And once you do that, from here you can select the country of your residence and easily change it. Now just click on update and you should be good to go. So that's how you change your location settings on the Amazon Prime Video. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.